Make sure your shoes are tied and make sure your feet are secure in the straps before starting. And here are the ways I do not want you to do this exercise. I do not want you to pull with your arms first before you extend your leg. I do not want you hunched over, and I don't want your elbows flared out wide. I do want you to have a slight lean back as you pull back, and I want you to extend that leg and not pull with your arms until your leg is about 75 to 80% extended. So you do not want to have the handle crossing your knees until your legs are almost fully extended. You're going to breathe with this rhythm, find the rhythm, keep those elbows in tight to the sides of your body, pull the handles to just below your nipples or right above your upper abdomen. Make sure to place the handle back in the slot provided. Don't push past any pain, and remember to breathe.